Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Stock Movers with Lisa Mateo on a Monday. What do you have, Lisa?
All right, I want to start with Domino's, ticker DPZ.
Yes.
Its shares have been up as much as 6%. Higher revenue second quarter. It led same-store sales growth in the U.S. A big part of that, the stuffed crust pizza.
Wow.
Okay, people loved it. They started ordering like crazy. Another big thing that helped them out, it's available for delivery on the two largest apps, right? You can get it on Uber Eats and also DoorDash on top of it. So that, I know, DoorDash, sorry, Tom.
You're hiding the punchline here.
Yes.
You did personal research on this in Chicago, didn't you?
The deep dish.
The deep dish.
Oh, but see, Domino's doesn't have that sauce like the deep dish that I had in Chicago. But it's still, people love it. You know, the college kids love it. They order the DoorDash, and that's the thing. I know. It's a thing. It's a thing.
Well, I mean, we're in a greater New York area where we have real pizza. The rest of the world doesn't.
True.
So Domino's is fine.
No, good point. Very good point.
That's how I think about it.
A 10-year track record on pizza, 16% per year. That's
Boom.
Pretty good.
People like pizza.
Yeah.
Next,
They did have a little bit of earnings decline, but they reported a beat on international same-store sales. They opened a lot of stores, too. That was another thing. Verizon, ticker VZ, their shares have been up about 4%, a beat on second quarter revenue. Operating revenue up about 5.2% from a year earlier, raised its profit outlook. That was a big thing. They pointed to strong performance. Its CEO said Verizon has, quote, momentum, a clear path forward. So people like the sound of that. The net loss it did see of about 51,000 monthly wireless phone subscribers, so a little bit less there. But it did add 293,000 internet customers. So they say the problem with the phone customers is that they ended their holiday promotions, their Christmas holiday promotions earlier. They beefed it up in the spring, but that was an issue that they had, kind of attracting people to get the phone.
6.6% yield. That's a ginormous yield.
It is, because there
like
is
European.
zero growth in this greater telecom business, because you got the three telecom players competing against the cable companies for a finite number of consumers in every one of their business lines. There's zero growth in that industry. So you got to reward your shareholders with a dividend.
Next.
Okay, we'll go to Jack Dorsey's fintech Block. Okay, ticker XYZ, just for you. Their shares have been up about 9%. It was formerly known as Square, right? It's set to join the S&P 500.
Is renamed Square.
Yes,
Paul,
it was Square.
This.
Yes, now it's Block. So it's set to join the S&P 500 before the start of trading on Wednesday. So we'll continue to keep an eye on those. But it's replacing Hess. You remember it's Chevron's $53 billion acquisition. So it'll replace that. And they said why it's growing. It's because it's expanded its portfolio, right? It's placing a big focus on cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin. I didn't realize it has this Bitcoin-only Cash App digital wallet service. You know, the self-custody Bitcoin wallet, BitKey. I mean, it's really expanding in this, and that's why they feel that this is going to continue. And like we said, before the starting trading on Wednesday, keep an eye out for Block, ticker XYZ.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.